What's up, you all? Today we're reviewing the Fifine k678 microphone. Now this microphone is really great for a plug and play essence. And before we get more into the review, if you do enjoy content like this, ensure you subscribe to our channel as it helps us out. Give us a thumbs up, a simple like, and a subscribe really helps us grow the content and helping you executing at a faster level. Also, I want to thank y'all so much for 130,000 followers on TikTok. And on top of that, just thank y'all for our growing community on Twitch. Also, it has been incredible, and thank you for helping us surpass 1K followers and just a great amount of viewership on there also. So now that all that is out the way, let's go ahead and get right into the Fifine k678 microphone. So the microphone right here is the box that it does come with that has a fun smiley face, and it's a little cute box. And the reason why, and I'm going to give y'all the reasons why, this right here has a cool little smiley face too. Before we go over the specs on here, I definitely want to just say something as far as the shape of it. So the shape is very similar to a Yeti, but more like a Yeti Nano. And the reason why is because it's very small. For some reason it doesn't look that small right here, but it's a very small microphone, and it really is something that's fun to plug and play, but it has that sleek appeal, right? Like the Shure mics look real sleek and black. The Yeti, more the monumental version of the Yeti, is black, sleek, looks professional. So I wanted more of a black, appealing, sleek microphone that looked professional on a budget. And this right here has done more than what I could ever ask for. I use this for TikTok. I use this for streaming. I use it now for some YouTube content. And it has been so much fun all around. So let's keep getting into what it actually comes into. So it comes in the box right here. And then it also says a cardioid pickup pattern, 16mm diaphragm mic capsule, excellent sound quality, and then it also offers a mute button, and then it offers a microphone gain and headphone volume. Now, and it just says the punchline is understand your voice better, studio quality, articulation, and intelligibility. And it's the Fifine, so the Fifine. Is there, some people say Fifine, some people say Fifine, and some people say Fifine. So however you want to control that aspect in terms of you saying it, that's usually what it's called. Now, some of the pros about it is that it's an easy plug and play. It's a USB one. It's a USB microphone, and I plug it in just about anywhere that can be plug and play with a USB port. It is kind of a hot mic though. I plug in through my TikTok videos, and I use an adapter to my iPhone to USB in order to be able to use my TikTok. If you watch all my TikTok videos, you'll see that I use the microphone, and it sounds real clear. So people are like, hey, what settings are you using for it? How are you editing it? What are you doing? It just sounds incredible on my iPhone, and it sounds better than a lot of other microphones that I've been trying also. Next, I do it on Streamlabs also when I stream, and I can just edit it with a little bit of filters, kind of throw up some background noise, throw it off a little bit, and that really makes me sound very professional. Right now, I actually have it directly connected to my phone, and so I love the way it sounds just me on my phone right now. Now, here's my only gripe about it is that it's a very sensitive microphone, right? It has all the great things. Monitoring, has a headphone port, it has volume, has gains on here. It's a USB to USB-C, and so what really is my gripe about this mic is that it's a very sensitive mic, meaning that if you turn up the volume a little bit, it starts sounding crazy distorted, loud, and it sounds like you're right in front of the microphone. So for me, I'm literally using it at like the volume is all the way down. The volume is literally all the way downward, and so that's my only thing about it. So if there was no actual monitoring on this mic or manual configuration, it would have been tough to use on a PC, because I know I've used different microphones where they don't have that volume adjustability, and it just sounds terrible on a plug and play aspect. Because when you're plug and play, usually people that order plug and play microphones are looking more into the essence of, let me plug it in, make it real user friendly, and maybe just some simple knobs to where I can get it really sounding not professional, but at least very respectable for their Zoom calls, for iPhones, for just anything you're utilizing a microphone for. In my case, streaming, YouTube, and my TikTok videos. So yeah, that's how it is. So it is very sleek. It is a smaller version of a microphone. Now, Fifine is always great to always roll with. I use their k678, the k670, and I use their k669B. And they have both been incredible to me. Actually, I made music with some of those microphones, including this one now. And I would have to say, you talk, so the mute icon, you talk on that side of the microphone, which is weird. It kind of seems a little backwards. On the other side is where you see more of the volume, and that's the opposite side. So in terms of that, it's very much something that I would highly recommend. As you can hear it, and just to make everything better, you can tell that I'm talking through the microphone right now, and this is literally how it sounds raw, no edits, connected directly to my phone. And so overall, of course, I'm going to recommend it. If you're coming across this review and you're looking for a microphone that's not expensive but also gives you some massive quality, this would have to be my best all-around choice on top of the other microphones of Fifine crates, also because of the look, the appeal, the cost. I get so many people that are like, oh, isn't that a Yeti? When I say, oh, I have a budget microphone, and I'm like, no, this is a Fifine. I say that on TikTok all day. And I would say this microphone is one of the best well-balanced budget microphones for the quality. It sounds better than a lot of mics, and I've had a Rode into USB, and I believe that this one sounds a little bit better in that facet. So you cannot go wrong with the k678 with some filters, especially if you're using it on PC. You could take it even to the next level. Musicians, just with some basic EQ and a good DAWs program, you're gonna sound amazing with this microphone. I have music that I have right now on Spotify, Apple, and I utilize all the Fifine microphone contributors, and that helped me out create some pretty cool music, as long as I knew how to really EQ and set some reverb and stuff in my microphone. I used it also to DJ and announce, and it's pretty cool. And so for the cost, I believe it's usually at retail $59, and that's like the best $59 I spend. Sometimes it could be cheaper, sometimes it probably might be a little bit more, which would be weird. They're usually not on that type of aspect, but $59 is for sure like the standard for this microphone price. And compared to the Yeti, which is basically what it's mostly compared to, usually about $100 and onward. And usually the Yeti Nano is what this is really compared to. And so Fifine k678 is very good. You've been hearing it through this whole review, and like what I said, it comes with a little box in here, and then it just kind of comes with just a little facet right here. You can see it in there. And the reason why you see this shape right here is that it comes with a smaller stand. But I just went ahead and substituted with my boom arm just so I can give y'all an essence of how it really sounds. I believe we're more into that, but it does clamp onto each end, as you can see right here. And it's more of a desk type of stand, and I don't really use that because I hit the desk a lot, and I just need the shock mount on there. So when I'm talking, the boom arm really helps me out more on that essence. So that'll be your flavor if you want it just right on the desk, which is very small because the mic's gonna be small and the stand's gonna be very small. So this mic works best when you're right in front of the microphone like this, and so a boom arm is something I'll always recommend if you're gonna get this mic. I got mine for about $12. I believe it's in the description below, and so you can check that out also on Amazon, my boom arm that I got. So yeah, I think that's my full review. And so if you appreciate content like this, let me know what's up, man. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, hit us up on Twitch, TikTok. Thank you for the whole community we've been building. We're trying to build on here also, so your appreciation and your thumbs up will really help us out. And ask questions about the k678, man. We've been using it for a while, and I can help you out on terms of settings, filters, or if you just want to use it for plug and play aspects, man. I got great ideas for this microphone, so let us know what's good, and I appreciate y'all, man. Peace.